Hello, fellow Articulate members. Welcome. My name is Sudh Karmarkar, and today I will be giving you a demo on how to use our new website. Today, I will be talking about how to log in into our website as a quick website overview, followed by how to confirm your roles on the agenda, and a few tips if you are the Toastmaster. So, let's begin. First and foremost, go into any browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox. In the address bar, type in our website address. Our new website address is articulates.toastmastersclubs.org. It is articulates.toastmasters with an S and clubs with an S.org. Hit enter and you will be redirected to our new club website. Sorry, I had myself logged in. When you log in, you will see that the login section here on the left hand side has member login button and login as site admin. There are two menus. One menu is the main menu, which is publicly available information, and then the other menu has the other tab on the right side, which is a members only tab. As you can see, if you have not logged in as a member, none of these links are active. In the main menu, all these links are active. This is our home page. On the top, it talks about who we are, what distinguished status we have as a club. It talks about how we want to promote leadership and speaking experience. It has a nice scroll for our club photos, and it gives a bit of a history of our club. The second link in the main menu is our meeting information. It talks about our meeting details, that we meet every Thursday from 6:30 to 8:10 p.m. at this location. It also gives the directions for any new guests. In the next link is a contact us form. This is for a guest to contact the club administration, its officers. They will type in their name and email address in the message, and we will reply to their message as soon as possible. Then there is a link, Meet Our Members. These are our member profiles. Member profiles attract guests to any club. Having experienced dedicated Toastmasters in a club who are passionate about Toastmasters will attract our prospective guests. I encourage all our members to update their member profiles. I will show you later in the presentation how to update your member profile. These are some of the profiles which have been updated, and these are the list of all our members in our club. Next is the club calendar. Our club calendar displays the meetings we have scheduled so far from now till end of the year. It will also detail if there are any special meetings we plan to do outside of our regular club meetings. Public downloads. This section is a free downloads material for any new guest. It talks about what is Toastmasters, what are the 5 steps to inject vitality in your speech, and how Toastmasters is your answer for everything. Next link is reasons to join. Remember, this main menu is publicly available for all guests. So we want to cater that to our guests to know more about our club and about Toastmasters. So we have given them 10 reasons to join a Toastmasters club. Please check it out. You will find it interesting. Then you have an application for membership. Next is club awards and recognition. This is very important for any prospective guest to know what this club has achieved. These are the various awards, distinguished club awards, our club has received over the past 10 years. It also talks about what the distinguished club program is and what it means to win these awards. Next, you have club members' achievements. This is a link to an outside website. It talks about from 2003 all the various communication and leadership awards our club members have won. Very recently, this year, Swati completed her ACS, Tommy and Venu completed their CCs, and very recently, Tommy also completed his CL. Congratulations to them all. Going back to our website, there is a link for common questions. These are FAQ questions a guest might have. Example, do I need to pay if I have to attend as a guest? Or how much do I pay if I have to join? These are all common questions which we all had when we wanted to join a club for the first time. Then there is a link to the Founders District website. And last but not the least, Toastmaster Club Officers' roles and responsibilities. Now let's learn how we can log in as a member and access these links which are visible to members only. Step number 1, click on this member login button on the left side. A window will pop up. The window will say, you must be registered by the administrator of this website before logging in. As the administrator of the website, I have already added and registered all our existing club members. Now, if this is your first time logging in, or if you have forgotten your password, just type in your name and then leave the password field blank. Click Authenticate Login. So, I will type in my name, and after I type in my first name, my whole name will appear in the drop-down box below. Select the name, leave the password field blank if you're logging in for the first time, and click Authenticate Login. As soon as you click Authenticate Login, the box will say, thank you. Please check your email box and instructions to log in into the website. You can close this box. Into another browser, type your email client, Yahoo or Gmail. Then there will be an email sent by the Articulates Club to you. It will read something like this: hello, member name, and it will have a link to set your password for your website. Please click on this link. After you click on this link, you will see a new pop-up which will say password and re-enter password. At this time, you can set any password that you want. My password, just as an example. You reconfirm the password and click Set Password. As soon as your password is set, it says password saved. You can now close this window and continue. It will automatically log you in to the website. Remember this member login button? It has now changed to log out as your member name. If you click on this button, you will be logged out of the website, and this button will now again change to member login. Now that you have already set your password, if you try to log in again, click on this member login. Type in your first name, and in the drop-down box, your name will appear. Select the name, then type in your password which you set earlier. Click Authenticate Login. Again, this icon will change to log out as Sudhanva Karmarkar or log out as your member name. This means that you have fully logged in. This This means that you have successfully logged in. Now, let's check out the various links you have as a member. First and foremost, the big reason why we shifted to a new website is the ease of meeting agendas and confirming or signing up for roles. If you click on this link, Meeting Agendas, you will see the agenda all laid out for you for the next meeting. If you click View Another Agenda, it will also show you future agendas. So the next agenda is for the 10:15 meeting. The agenda after is for 10:22 meeting. If you want to see a snapshot of your roles in future meetings, you have to click this grid icon. This grid icon will say Print Multiple Meeting Sign-up Sheets. This is a sign-up sheet, but it gives you a nice snapshot of your duty roster for the future meeting agendas. Let's click on it and see what it does. It will open a print window, but we do not want to print at this time. Just cancel. Excuse me. So it will display all the assignments for all the future meetings, up to 5 meetings for which agendas have been created. Agendas will be created by our VP of Education. It will say President, who is doing the Toastmaster role, Joke Master, Grammarian, R Counter, Timer, Word Counter, Speakers, General Evaluator, Evaluators, and Table Topics Master in this order. So I can clearly see I am the Grammarian next week. Then I am also Evaluator number 3 next week. This will give you a nice snapshot when your future speeches are, and you can start preparing for your future speeches as soon as possible. Going back to our meeting agenda, now that you know that you will be doing a certain role, for example, I'm the grammarian at the next meeting. If I know I will be attending the meeting and I will be performing my role as grammarian, it is very easy to let the Toastmaster know that you confirm the role. Just scroll all the way to the bottom and you can type in, "Hi, this is Sud. I will be attending the meeting and perform my role as the grammarian," and hit the button Update Meeting Notes. Instantly, it will say Meeting Notes from Sudhanvakar Marker. "Hi, this is Sud. I will be attending the meeting and perform my role as the grammarian." If everyone in the club proactively goes and looks at the agenda and takes a minute from their busy schedule to type in a meeting note saying that they will be able to attend the meeting and they confirm their role, imagine the Toastmaster's job will be so much more easier. It will be so much easier. You know, as a Toastmaster, when you have been a Toastmaster before, you have to send multiple emails, contact multiple people, and try to get confirmations. If we, as club members, become proactive and take a minute from our busy schedules, we should be able to make a Toastmaster's life a lot easier. Now let's take an example. If you are not able to attend the meeting, say I am the grammarian, I have been assigned the role of the grammarian, and I'm not able to attend the meeting. Very simple. There is a big X in front of my assignment. Click that X. Instantly, the agenda will change to a sign up button. Anyone from our club can sign up for this role. And you go down. In your meeting notes, you can just mention, "Hi, this is Sud. I will not be attending this meeting," and then click Update Meeting Notes. This way, both VP of Education and the Toastmasters will know that you have deselected yourself from the grammarian role and have put in a note that you will not be able to attend the meeting. You can do this for all future agendas, not just the next upcoming agenda. For example, you can go into 1022 agenda. I know that I am evaluator number 3 here. I can either click the X box and say I'm not able to fulfill that role and put in a comment here that I will not be able to attend the meeting. Or if I'm able to attend the meeting, I can just put in a comment here saying that I confirm that I will be attending the meeting and fulfill the role of evaluator number 3. If you are the speaker for a meeting, you can instantly select the speech manual that you're going to do. Let's say Ryan is going to do his speech project number 2. Enter his speech title and also provide the Toastmaster your speech introduction. This way, the Toastmaster does not need to email any of the speakers, and it's a quick one-way communication which will save a ton of time for the Toastmaster. Further, this entering here is very important because from this website, an automatic agenda will be printed. This will save a ton of time for the Toastmaster to prepare the agenda using the Word document. Let's see how that is done. In the agenda itself, there is a button called Print this meeting agenda. If I click on this button, it will print a one-page agenda which will look like this. It will have our Welcome to the Articulate Toastmaster meeting, Toastmasters Club mission, and it will detail what we are doing today in the same order as we used to in our previous agendas. President calls the meeting to order. Toastmaster, joke master, grammarian, counter, timer, vote counter, speaker 1, 2, 3, general evaluator, evaluators, followed by a break at 7:20. 7:30 will begin our table topics, and around 8 o'clock we will end our meeting. It is as simple as that. You just have to change this to a printer and print the number of copies you need, and your agenda is printed. Isn't this easy? Saves a ton of time for the Toastmaster. As soon as you confirm your roles on the meeting agenda, if everyone confirms them, all the Toastmaster has to do is to log into the website an hour before the meeting, click print, and agendas are printed. As simple as that. Going back to our website, there are a few other buttons which I would like to touch upon. As the Toastmaster, you have access to this pen button, which is edit this meeting agenda. If someone has signed out from a role and you want to assign someone else to that role, you will click edit button. Then the agenda will be listed in this format. You can go in and select a club member whom you want to assign the role. Then save and close. Save and close. Simple? Perfect. Let's look at one more role in the meeting agendas. Imagine you want to know all the various roles you have done in Toastmasters in our club. Do we have access to such history and reports? Yes, the new website gives us great options to record all that we do. This person icon is download role report. If you click on the download role report, you can download all the roles you have done from current Toastmaster year. All means beginning of time or a certain date. You can select if you want just the speech report that will list all your speeches, or your role reports which will list all your leadership roles like evaluator, general evaluator, timer, counter, so on and so forth. It does not, since we have this new website, it will only record roles from 10:15 meeting onwards. If I click Run Download Report, It will show all the role reports for the past meeting. So Smita was the joke master and the timer, Dipti was the grammarian, Hannah was the general evaluator, so on and so forth. Further, you can select, instead of all, you can select yourself. So the report was showing reports for all the members, but instead of all, you can select, say, just Smita. Click Run Download Report, and it will show just Smita's roles. As and when we start doing more and more roles in this new website, this list will keep on increasing. This will help the VP of Education to reconcile various awards from your CL manual against this database. It will be easy to certify the CL manual. Plus, you will know when you perform the various roles. Perfect. Now that everything is clear on how to work the system to make our lives easier, there is one small step that I want to show you. This is emailing this agenda. If you click on this, a box will appear, which is like our regular email box. The Toastmaster can type in fellow Toastmasters. I will be your Toastmaster of the day. Meeting theme is, etc. Any special notes for the meeting, and you can type a reminder. Please see below our agenda. Please confirm your roles on the website as soon as possible. That is it. You can send a reminder email as a Toastmaster like this, so that everyone will log in into their agenda and confirm their roles. You can send this email to all the club members, and you don't have to enter any email addresses. This will automatically send it to all the club members. Let's look at some of the features of members only section other than meeting agendas. The next link is the mentor-mentee request form. The mentor-mentee request form is a special form wherein you can tell us if you would like to mentor a new member, if you would like to mentor an experienced member, or if you are a new member who would like to have a mentor assigned, or if you are more experienced who would like to help a mentor develop special skills. I'm available to work with the mentor-mentee by email, phone, before or after the meetings. You can fill up this mentor-mentee request form so that VP of Education can assign you as a mentor or assign you a mentor. Club email addresses. This is very important. This is the only significant change you will notice from our old website to the new website. If you want to send an email to all the members, you were previously typing in the email members@articulates.org. Now the mail address has changed. Please note members-316@toastmastersclubs.org. This will send an email to all the members. If you want to send an email just to the officers, you will type in officers-316@toastmastersclubs.org. If you want to send mails to individual officers, then these are your emails: President-316, VPE-316, Sergeant at Arms is SAA-316, VPM-316 for VP membership, VPPR is VPPR-316, and Secretary is Secretary-316, all at toastmastersclubs.org, which is Toastmasters with an S and clubs with an S. And there are so many other email addresses which we can use to contact guests, prospects, former members, mentors, mentees, etc. Edit your profile. This is very important to attract quality guests, quality members as guests, so that they will come and attend our meeting. A good practice would be for all our members to update their profile in this Edit Profile window. You can choose, if you click on the Edit Profile, you can type in your name, your email and secondary email address, and your phone number. Further, you can type in the email settings that you need. I have kept these email settings default and have not changed any. You can type in the social links that you follow. Example, this is my Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Flickr, Google+, Meetup URLs. Member photo or bio. You can type in your bio, your passions in life, why you want to join, why you have joined Toastmasters, what are your goals and achievements. Update a photo for yourself and click Save and Close. After your member profile has been updated, if you go back to the main menu and Meet Our Members, you will see that your profile is now visible with the photo that you updated. Going back to the Members Only section, if you go to the next link, Private Member Directory, the only difference between Meet Our Members in the main menu and Members Only Private Member Directory is a member's email and phone number will be now visible to our members. So a member can contact a member via email or phone number. This is not visible if you are not a member. Example, if I go back to main menu and click Meet Our Members, then this is not visible. You will not be contacted by prospective members or outsiders because they do not know your phone number or email address. It's a nice security feature. Another very important item in the members only section is the member downloads, but I will come to that later. The next link is Founders District's calendar. This is a fantastic link to access the Founders District's calendar, which lists all the various events happening in Founders District, from division council meetings to speech contests for the area and the division and the Founders District conference. All the various events happening in Founders District are visible on this calendar. Excuse me. For our new members and experienced ones, I might add, there's a fantastic link called Meeting Roles. This link will detail each meeting role and what you have to do to fulfill that role successfully. For example, the first role is the grammarian. It will list what is the purpose of the grammarian. Then it will list what you have to do before the meeting, and then it will list what you have to do during the meeting. Similarly, if you click on R Counter, it will list all the information that you need to be a successful R Counter. Please do take some time and check out all these various roles. Next is a fantastic speakers toolbox. This we have carried over from our old website. We found this very interesting and innovative. It talks about advanced manuals, all the various advanced manuals there are in Toastmasters. Basic communication manual, in case you have joined the club new and you are yet to receive your CC manual. This lists all the 10 speech projects in your CC manual. Then you have Make Your Speech Shine. These are the 5 steps to inject vitality in your speech by Stephen Meyer, a former club member. Improve Club Climate. This is a nice article written by a former club member in February 2001 on how club climate can be improved. Anyone from our club can take this information and create it into a speech. Best General Evaluator. This is Bob Hudak's take on how to be the best general evaluator you can be. These are pro tips from a pro TTM Toastmaster on how to be a great general evaluator. Please check it out. Quality meetings. These are suggestions for improvement for every role in our meeting. How to be a good joke master. Quick tips. How to become a good Toastmaster. How to become a good secret greeter. Next is Toastmaster of the Year link, which is a program which we are yet to revive, but this link is very interesting. It talks about the qualifications for Toastmaster of the Year program. This was a program which used to happen in our club previously. There are 10 reasons to get your CC. Then you have, let's look at the 10 reasons. There are fantastic reasons why you should complete your competent communication manual. Don't be surprised if you do not see the future links like membership management, email and contacts, agenda template settings, file manager, and treasure functions. Since I'm the president for the club, I'm visible. These links are visible to me because other officers, these links will be helpful to them to perform their duties better. Example, the treasurer. Treasurer can track all the dues paid and create invoices through the system. I will create a separate tutorial for how the treasurer can use the system. The next is the file manager. All these documents which I showed you in the member download section need to be uploaded here and can be managed using the file manager. Next is the membership management. It is where we enter the members and delete the members or move the members into former members or add new guests. This is for the VP of membership or Sergeant at Arms to manage. So I will create a separate training for the officers. Please take a moment, and if you have any questions, please contact me or Manjari. A big thanks goes to Manjari, our VP of Public Relations, for setting up this new website. It was a monumental effort to set up all the tabs and make this work. Please take the advantage of our new website. I think it will be very helpful, especially to confirm our roles and simplify our Toastmasters responsibilities. It will be even more helpful for our VP of Education to create agendas and track who is doing which roles. This way, the VP of Education can assign you more different roles so that you can get your CL manual completed faster. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name is Sudh Karmarkar or Manjari, our VP of PR. If you have any feedback, any suggestions for improvement, any critique on anything that we have in the website, feel free. Please do not hesitate. This is our first attempt and we want to make it better. This website is the face of our club. Having a great website, it will ensure that great guests and great prospective members come to our meetings. Thank you.